In this video, we're going to talk about how to clean your lungs using a home remedy naturally. I'll tell you the #1 herb remedy that I use to clean my lungs after 24 years of smoking with great success. Hi, my name is Raulh of God Cured Me. Now more than ever, because of COVID-19, people are looking to improve their respiratory system. Those of you all who know me know that I was a smoker who smoked a pack of cigarettes a day for 24 years, therefore damaging my lungs tremendously. After going to see regular doctors for years who couldn't help me improve my lungs, I decided to see an herbalist. Once I started seeing an herbalist, my lung health improved dramatically. Here's the item that my herbalist suggested that I do on a regular basis to improve my respiratory system. I put a link in the description box if you're interested. Mullen. Mullen is used for cough, tuberculosis, bronchitis, hoarseness, pneumonia, earaches, colds, chills, flus, swine flu, fever, allergies, tonsillitis, and sore throat. Other uses include asthma, diarrhea, colic, gastrointestinal bleeding, migraines, joint pain, and gout. There are 2 forms Mullen comes in, capsules and teas. For those who are already suffering from respiratory issues, I would suggest that you use the tea. Why? When taken in liquid form, it reaches the affected area faster than the capsules. The capsules are more for general maintenance after you've corrected your lung issues like I have. Now don't get me wrong, the capsules will work. They just take a little longer. Once again, I put the link in the description box if you're interested. The second thing to do is inhaling steam. Breathing in steam will help break up the mucus built up in the respiratory system and help you cough it up. You simply boil water and breathe it in 15 minutes, 2 times a day, especially right after taking Mullen tea or the Mullen capsules. It'll improve on your respiratory system tremendously. I personally use a homemade sauna. I put the link of my video below if you don't have access to a regular sauna. Now, along with Mullen and steaming, if you smoke, you're going to want to stop smoking and stay away from people who do smoke while they're smoking. Also, if you're a drinker of alcoholic beverages, you may want to stop drinking. Why? Because alcohol is full of toxins. Doing these 2 things will help keep aiding your lung issue. Now you must understand that a change in diet is necessary in order for one to help heal himself of any health issues. If you keep putting chemicals from so-called foods and drinks into your body, how can it recover from illness? Eating processed foods and foods with white refined sugar in them will feed your illness. The chemicals in white refined sugar are the biggest enemy to the human body. If you've ever heard me say it before, let me say it again. Sugar feeds illnesses like cancer and tumors. A diet with fruits and vegetables are essential for your health to be restored. So let's recap. Mullen is for improving the respiratory system along with breathing in steam. If you smoke, stop smoking. Stay away from people who smoke while they're smoking. And eat foods that have nutritional value in them. For Mullen teas and capsules that I use, and the video of how to make a homemade sauna, and to get my free food list, the links are all in the description box. Like and share this video, and don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for notification of future videos. You can follow me on all social media at God Cured Me. And if you want to learn how to rid yourself of virtually any disease, visit my website at www.godcuredme.com. And as always, my name is Raulh. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. Be safe out there.